Finally, I'd like to explain to you the QI charging function. As I explained earlier, there are two versions of our unit. There's the Pictar Pro and the Pictar Pro Charge. If you've got the Pictar Pro, then perhaps this section isn't so relevant to you. But for those of you who bought the Pictar Charge, then you have the ability to wirelessly charge your phone via the Pictar if your phone is wirelessly enabled. So you need to check with the model of phone that you've got to check whether it's open to QI charging. But if it is, there's an extra boost of power that you can access via the Pictar, and it gives you half an hour charge, extra charging time, and can boost your battery by about 50%. In order to charge, it's quite simple. You just simply press these two buttons down at the same time. That activates the charge. You can see that on the charging symbol. And then to deactivate it, if you decide that you want to stop it for whatever reason before the half an hour period when it automatically shuts down, simply indentate them again together and that turns it off. So that's the end of our tutorial. Thank you very much for choosing our product, Pictar Pro, and I hope you take some really great images with it and it unlocks your creative possibilities, and I hope you can share images with us in the future. Thank you very much.